Hello to everyone. Today I have here the arm boot pressure monitor from the company SilverCrest, half for you, and it is the upper arm boot pressure monitor. So I would like to show you how to change the battery here, these batteries. So the equipment is right here and the battery are from the back side right here. We can see what kind of batteries. So we have here for 3A batteries with power 6 volts. So it's really easy for open. Just put it down and we can see here stick outside, and now we are able to remove very carefully all the batteries. So links are okay. Then when you buy the new one, it's really crazy, but I bought the same batteries I have here right here because I have big package of these batteries, so you can input these batteries inside. It's very easy because you can see very spring, so spring is always there is always minus, there is always minus, and on seconds is plus, so you can put it really fast. So you need just 4 a batteries. Okay, it's done. Now just take the cover and this cover return very precise back. So right now it's ready for test. I don't want to connect the these parts. I just try if we change battery in right way and if the equipment working correctly. So we can test it with this start, and we can see that everything is ready for using. So batteries are okay. We can check information and we can see here the battery was okay. So now it's working, but we don't need to work. So everything is working correctly. I think that right now you are able to change battery. Thank you for the watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I prepare next video how to use this equipment at home. So thank you. See you in the next video.